glutes after lunch. Circles is awesome. And this is basically circles, and again, it's terminology, it's that motion. You can see the redness coming up, but not marking. So that's your circles, as opposed to that, which would feel a bit more bitey. So hands on, and really get some placement with your hands. And not too fast. Okay, so then we've got...
Twist.
Okay, so twisting, that's nice and warm now. Again, that's just redness coming to the surface, no marks. Number 4. So I'm going to be standing over there. So this is the first time you're going to head up into that sort of neck area. So remember what I said, you use your trap as your guide and you stay posterior. So nothing into the lateral neck. So a little bit of, God, I didn't even ask you. Essential oils, you're okay with that? I think we'd know by now if she wasn't. Okay, so again, just warming up the area. And I want to feel for stuff. So a lot of you might have active trigger points in through here. And this is one of the most common places. So you can practice with your trigger point accessory as well in that area. I'm going to jump the gun here as well. I'll do my twisting, but I also want to do some flash cupping up around that occiput, even though I haven't demonstrated it yet, and it's probably the hardest one to sort of master, but I want to show you what you can do. And once you've gone through down to flash cupping, come back up to the neck and try it across the occiput, because it does feel really awesome up through here. Okay. Who's cream? This is good cream. It's got good glide. Okay. This time, cup, pump, stay on together for twisting. And I'm going to be moving the cup with my thumb and forefinger. So pump, and it's that motion. So twisting backwards and forwards, you can see the torque on the tissue. Does that feel all right? Mm-hmm. So I'm moving up with my thumb. And then back down with my forefinger. So the pump stays on. It doesn't have to, but it's an area that could lose suction. So it just means I just pump quickly again. I'll show you without the pump on. Hand on again. It's not that, it's that. And it's that motion. So she's got a pretty sticky neck. So this is okay. If you've got someone with sort of a crinkled up neck, that other hand acts as pulling that tissue and tightening things up as well. Sorry, getting your hair. So it's that motion and up. Lost seal. Take the pump off, as I said. So that's the idea. Now I might as well mention it now. There's that one in the doco, which is that, for a better word, twirl. I need to find a better word for it. But the object is that you pump and it's that motion. So you're actually lifting up. If you lift up too much, the cup will fall off, but it's that motion. And then off, up, and off. So that's great for scar tissue.
So we add that to this list?
Yeah, it's the bonus. What's wrong, you're on?
Yeah, you know what?
Okay, so